10:35. We're on our way to Devkund. Adi at the back, and we have an anonymous driver. So yeah, we're on our way now. We're about 45 minutes away from the place. So when you come to Devkund, they insist that you take a guide, especially during this time because of the monsoons. And so we've taken a guide. He's got a rope with him just in case if we need it. I've carried the ocean pack. It's got the drone in it, but I don't think I'm going to get a chance to fly it because of the rain. But let's see. Even if I get like 5 minutes of clear skies, it's going to be fun. And check that. हे पाऊस पण पडला आणि भरला तर कसं जायचं? हे पाऊस पण पडला आणि भरला तर कसं जायचं? Thorns, like big ass thorns. Big ass thorns. So we have F45 Master Beach Lakhani. He's making it through the trek, but his shoes.
This is also scary, man. It's like
the shoes are not making it. No!
Okay, show! Come back!
Son!
anyway,
Quick, son!
snake hole here. There are many snakes.
Oh, dude, this whole area is filled with. You didn't see the one? There's only moss. Oh. That place, very slippery. So this is just the last part. There is an incline, and I think post that we reach the waterfall. Pretty steep. Mosquitoes bite like crazy. You see any signs? We're lost.
What?
We're lost. There's no way to go.
Why? Check here.
Where? Oh, wait. He's saying that's the route you're not supposed to take. So we've come the wrong way. See?
But then, do snakes attack you? Or they let you be?
You should not just go close to them. They'll leave you be. It's not like they want to come after you, you know? Traffic jams on the trails also. So as you can see, this place is really beautiful, but it's quite a trek to get to here. And if you're doing it like during the monsoons, like right now, it gets dark really fast. It's about 4:15 right now and it's dark. So you want to start like early because it's a good trek. Because once you reach the waterfall, then you're going to spend some time at the waterfall. Well, otherwise it's an amazing trek. Really good. And I highly advise anyone who's trying to basically go out and do this trek is take a guide, because you will get lost if you try to find the place by yourself, because it's at some parts it's a little tricky. So take a guide.
Hey, something's crawling.
Yeah?
Oh shit. Oh shit.
How do you like your first trek, lady?
I'm exhausted. But yeah, but it was an experience and I learned a lot from it. Mainly I learned to be really patient.
How was the cold water therapy?
Oh yeah, that was something, because I didn't want to get into the water because I was freezing and then they all forced me, so I got in and that's actually what helped. I got back on track after that.
Would you recommend this place to other people?
Yeah, definitely. No? No, definitely to people who have maybe like never tried, people like me. I think it's like really okay.
Doable.
Yeah.
Just take a guide. Just take a guide.
Yeah.
So this is Beach, and
45.
after he finished his what's this place?
Devkund?
Devkund. After he finished the Devkund trek, this is what happened to his shoes. Nike, you do not.
What the is written inside? Nike capsule.
Is this original Nike?
Yeah, it is. They're 7 years old. What?
Are you hiding your stash in it?
It's got that Nike thing chip inside.
Think chip.
Fuck, let me see.
What kind of chips are you putting inside Nike?
Are you tracking?
It's definitely not working.
Narayan Malekar.
Thank you, Mama.
There's nothing new in this game.